Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate MFA on Coinbase for stronger account security. Full guide step by step clearly. To activate MFA on Coinbase, first, log into your Coinbase account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Click on the Security tab in the Settings menu. Locate the option for two-step verification or MFA. If it is not already enabled, select the option to enable it. You will be prompted to choose your preferred method for receiving verification codes. You can select either the Google Authenticator app or SMS-based verification. If you choose the Google Authenticator app, download it from your device's App Store. Open the Google Authenticator app and select Begin Setup. Choose the option to scan a QR code. Return to the Coinbase security settings and click on Set up Google Authenticator. A QR code will be displayed on the screen. Use your device to scan this QR code with the Google Authenticator app. Once scanned, the app will generate a verification code. Enter this verification code in the space provided on your Coinbase account. If you opt for SMS verification, enter your mobile phone number. You will receive a text message with a verification code. Input this code into the designated area on your Coinbase account. After successfully entering the code, MFA will be activated on your account. To ensure everything is set up correctly, log out and try logging back in. You will be prompted for a verification code each time you log in after this. Keep your backup codes in a secure location in case you lose access to your authentication method. By following these steps, you will enhance the security of your Coinbase account with multi-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.